Welcome to Jeløya, Norway. Today I am spending the day in Rambergbukta, this little bay you can see here, filled with birds. My name is Trym Eriksen, and I will be bringing you on a little adventure here, sitting in my chair, sitting at the rocks, waiting for birds to come by and do their thing. So join me for a beautiful summer day here in Norway. Good morning, birders. We have here the nectar of the gods, white monster energy. Have a blessed Saturday. Here we are, Rambergbukta, once again. Other side of my last video, I like to switch places. So hopefully today we can see like some osprey, white-tailed eagle. Maybe the seal will show itself once again. So yes, today I actually have all the time in the world, and that means only thing I will be doing today is make videos, look for birds, look for animals. That's better. A bit better on the metering mode here. We have like, I brought 2 batteries or 3 batteries for this camera. I've bought 1 extra for this one, which is fully charged. This one is at like 60% now. And then I have brought me with the drone, which is the DJI Mini 4K, and do I love it. I have now registered here for like the Norwegian drone registry, so I can actually fly it. It's pretty easy to control. I had no issue just starting it up and then flying it around. So that's pretty nice, and takes decent quality photos, I guess, or video. So yeah, pretty happy with that. I wanted to show you everything I have brought with me. Here we have the camera on a tripod with a gimbal head. We have this little chair from Tragopan. We have the white monster energy. In here is my drone. And we have like this little tripod here for this camera. And then I have a backpack with some batteries and extra stuff. Pretty nice. So what I like to do when I'm sitting here, now I'm having my shutter speed at 1/2000 because it's pretty bright, and I turn down the aperture to f8 on my 200 to 60mm Sony lens. And then I also have like on tracking zone as my autofocus here. In case something comes flying by, it will keep tracking them. And I also have it set at 200mm in case I need to zoom in. That's easier. I just got a beautiful shot of an seagull here. Just amazing. Another seagull. One thing I would like to say, now we're testing out not using the image stabilization because I have such a high shutter speed that I don't need it. It's like if I have 1/4000, why would I need image stabilization? I have to do like the fastest motion ever. There's a turn here. Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back right in front of me. Oh my god, that's so sharp. That's so close up as well. Oh my god. I think he came here to catch a fish. Huh. Probably like the common tern, I think. Oh. What? Right there, right there. I think that's the Merganese, right? Oh my God, that's so sharp and beautiful. What? Damn, I really wish I could get like down there. I'll see if I can do that. Or it's a bit late now, maybe. He moved away. Just came swimming right by here. That's a cormorant. Oh. Perfect, perfect. Really wish I could sit down there now. That was a cormorant. By sitting down here, I'm closer to like the eye level of the birds. So if they come flying right by here, we can get better shots. So that's pretty good. We really don't need a chair because this like natural rock formation is more than good enough. Fish. Fish. Has to have been a fish. What's that? Crow? Seems like it. Seems like